Making it on YouTube, blowing up on YouTube sounds like a dream, sounds like a myth for almost every new content creator, just like myself. And it can be very exhausting when, with all the effort you put, you still don't are not sure if you are going to make it. So here is the video where I'm going to be showing my plans on how I intend to achieve such. Welcome to this channel. If you are new, I'm Egwuma, and just like most of you, I'm new on this platform and I'm still trying to find my feet. In my last video, I talked about why I did start YouTube on time. I talked about my challenges, and now I'm giving it my best shot as much as I can. But you can't just hop on YouTube without a plan. You must have a plan to it. Will it work? I don't know. But I have plans and I intend to follow them up to make sure I achieve my goal. I don't know how long it will take, but along the way, I'm going to be improving those plans as I see results. And I hope that someone watching this would love to see me make it and would love to grow with me as well. If you are that person, then stay to the end of this video because we are going to be looking at my plans together to grow my YouTube channel. I know many of these are popular opinions of what you should do, but this is what I'm willing to give a shot to, and to see how far I can go and to see what results I can get from them. And let's dive into it. The first is no procrastination. I have always procrastinated. I will do today, I will do tomorrow. Even this video I'm doing now, I almost thought, when will I do it? My phone isn't that good with camera. I'm sure you can see the quality. The camera is an old camera. So, but I said, since I'm starting out, why not just use it the way it can? At least there's nothing to hide. So, which is why I'm shooting this video. And so many creators out there, just like in our normal lives, we keep postponing, waiting for the perfect time. We keep postponing. I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it later, I'll do it next time. And tomorrow never finishes. And that one day never becomes the one because we keep postponing. Imagine if I had taken this step 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I, I can only imagine where I would have been by now. But it's never too late, which is why I'm taking the step now. And I urge you to take the step too. That is the most. If you can't get yourself to decide to do something now, then I don't think you need to do anything else. So first thing first is remove procrastination. Remove procrastination. And my second plan is to is in the terms of my video quality. I don't have a good phone, like I said. I use a Infinix Hot 5 from 2017. So people who knows the phone, you can guess how the camera will be. But from the video you can see. So, but that is not going to limit me. I'm going to shoot with it anyway. You can mock me, you can say my video is not good, but sorry, I'll be proud to look back and say I started from here. I'm using what I have to get what I want. And I'm going to be recording with my phone. And in saying this because sometimes the starting doesn't always look as good as the destination. And we should accept it. which is what I'm doing. I'm no longer ashamed of my phone. I'm going to make use of my phone. And that is how I plan to go on this. Like I said, my plans are not basically what most traditional YouTubers talk about growing growing on YouTube, where they talk about thumbnail design and all of that and all of that. Those are good, those are part of it. But if your attitude to achieve something, if your mind to achieve something isn't right, no matter the design and whatever skills you have, you might never achieve anything. That's why you have people who are professionals, people who are who studied well in school, brilliant, but you see them, some of them have the skills, but they never have that spirit to even put themselves together before they can even do something. And I'm not willing to be that person anymore. So I'm using what I have to get what I want. And for the third one, which is I'm going to be reviewing my videos from time to time. I'm going to be reviewing my analytics. I'm going to be talking about experiences that I've had in the past. I'm going to be also be recommending some of the YouTubers and people that inspired me to take this step. People like, I'm going to mention a few like Ali Abdal, Imagaji, Cody Sanchez. Many of these people, I admire their work here on YouTube. And I'll be doing a dedicated video on that along the way. From time to time, I'll be doing a recommendation video. And because I believe you, as a new creator, you have something to learn from them. You have something to learn from them as well. So rather than you scrolling all through YouTube looking for information that will benefit you, what if somebody can actually present those things to you? And you just have to go use that information given to search for them. That is also what I'm going to be doing as well. So we all can learn and grow together. And if you have watched up to this point, I may not sound the best. I'm not so well. And I'm just putting myself together and I'm working. I work at least 12 hours a day. You know how jobs in Nigeria can be sometimes. So endure with me. But your support will mean a lot to me. That's you subscribing to the channel will be a support to me. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you think the quality of the video needs to be improved, just share. When you watch this video, share your thoughts. How does it feel? You can give me advice on where you think I need to improve. Is it the hook? Is it the introduction? I'm open to learning. We learn together. I'm open to learning. So you can share that and like this video. I would really appreciate it. I would love to grow with you, and that tomorrow we'll be able to look at each other and say we learned from each other. So while you are that, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Peace.